guys, welcome to another video. So today I'll show you how to create this look. I was kind of inspired by my t-shirt right here to create this look. Plus I had yellow pigment pop by Revolution Pro, and you know, I might as well put it to use. So I created this kind of like smoky eye with a yellow wing. It was just like, I don't know, how am I going to incorporate yellow in a look? So I thought, let me do a smoky eye and some yellow liner. So this is the look. I'm just looking over here in my monitor while I wave around this thing over here. So yeah, this is the look. If you want to see how I did this, please continue watching.
So starting off with the Hiiii eyeshadow stick in 20, which is just black. I start off at the lash line, so I start off really small and then I build it up by putting more and more product. So I start blending it out really slowly, really gently, and then of course I put more on and then I blend it out to where I want it to go to. Then I take the Sample Beauty, the Cult palette, and I take this brown that's in the top right corner of the palette. They don't have names, so I just put that there into my eye. Then I take Hiiii eyeshadow, which is just again straight up black, and I pack that on top of the cream that I just put on, so it kind of sets it, and whatever leftover product I have, I blend it upwards. Then I take the yellow pigment pop by Revolution Pro, and I begin to create an eyeliner flick, which that's not what I usually do. I never usually do eyeliner flicks, but it looks really cool with the smoky eye. It's just a completely different contrast. And then I just fill it in, so just a flick and then a little bit of a fill. Then I take the same palette, the Cult Beauty, not the Cult palette. I take that and I add that shimmer, neon yellow shimmer, to the eyeliner to set the eyeliner as well. Then I take the same color that I used at the top, that brown, and I blend underneath the eye. So usually whatever I put on the top, I put on the bottom of the eye. Then I take this tattoo liner by Maybelline, and it's a brown, and I just shade that lash line. I want to make it like a brown, smoky lower lash line. And I blend it out with a cotton bud, straight up. This is the Sample Beauty, the Tectonic palette, and I take that mustard yellow and I blend under the eye. Then I take the Lash Queen Majestic eyelashes, and then for the lip liner is the NYX Nude Truffle lip pencil, and I just fill that right in, being really careful because I want my lips to be shaped nicely. Then the Maybelline 728 Honey Beige lipstick to top it all off, so it's kind of like a nude lip combo going on. And so this is the final look. I really love this look so much. Like, I love the color coordination to my top. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.